One of the oldest and most effective forms of healthy living, people today are becoming more aware of the benefits of Ayurveda. Ayurvedic medicine, or Ayurveda for short, is one of the oldest holistic healing systems, being developed more than 3,000 years ago in the Indian subcontinent. It's based on the idea that health and wellness depend on the balance between the mind, the body, and the spirit, with its main goal being to promote good health rather than simply fight disease. This isn't to say there aren't treatments for specific health problems, but as is often the case, preventative action is often more effective than reactive action. Now, it's difficult to explain everything about Ayurvedic medicine as the subject is extremely broad and deep, requiring a lifetime to fully learn and master. So in this video, I want to give a brief overview of what Ayurveda is and its benefits. At this point, I'd like to give a quick shout out to the channel FitTuber, which is one of the best channels I've seen for health and fitness, with its creator and presenter Vivek regularly providing great advice involving Ayurvedic practices. I will leave a link to the channel for you in the description down below. So what is Ayurveda? As previously mentioned, Ayurvedic medicine is a holistic approach to health and well-being, focusing primarily on natural health and ingredients to help you live a healthy lifestyle. Practitioners of Ayurveda believe every person is made up of 5 basic elements found in the universe, with them being space, air, fire, water, and earth. These combine in the human body to form 3 life forces or energies, known as the doshas, which control how your body works. The 3 doshas are Vata dosha, space and air, Pitta dosha, which is fire and water, and Kapha dosha, which is water and earth. Every person inherits a unique mix of these 3 doshas, which form you as an individual. They control different body functions, and your chances of getting sick and health issues you might develop are linked to the balance of your doshas. With that in mind, what are the benefits of Ayurvedic medicine? Number 1. Health and staying well. Ayurveda promotes preventative care for your well-being. With this, it helps to promote taking action to care for your body rather than reacting to ill effects of neglect, as is often the case with a lot of modern medicine. This will help you feel better in life, helping you stave off illness and be healthy, meaning you can focus on your purpose in life. By adapting our diets and lifestyles to our unique constitutions, we maintain the balance within ourselves that maintains good health. The best way to combat disease is to stay well in the first place. Number 2. Beautiful skin. Many people today seek to have beautiful skin, and as is normally the case, healthy skin is beautiful skin. Many commercial skincare products contain harsh chemicals that often have negative effects on our skin. This mistreatment of our skin opens a vicious cycle that makes us feel compelled to the further use of harsh chemicals to help mask the damage done. Ayurvedic medicine aims to care for our skin by first understanding our skin. Whether you have dry Vata skin, sensitive Pitta skin, or oily Kapha skin, once you understand your skin type, you will find appropriate natural skin treatments will best balance these qualities to help promote healthy and beautiful skin. This, in addition to following a healthy diet and a balanced lifestyle, naturally helps the entire body achieve greater balance and health. Number 3. Anti-aging. The chances are you know someone who appears significantly older than they actually are. When we see them, we often assume that they have lived a hard life, one of stress and a life of physical, mental, and even spiritual imbalance. This is because our health is evident on our face, with those who have focused on health appearing younger and more energetic, and those who have struggled to maintain health appearing older. Ayurveda promotes health and management of stresses and anxieties that wear out our bodies. This harmony not only promotes a healthy, youthful body, Ayurvedic medicine also promotes a vibrant, dynamic mind, even as we age. To care for the body is to care for the mind and vice versa. Ayurveda promotes care for both. Number 4. Feel more energetic. In today's world, many give up on sleep when working towards a deadline, eating the wrong food or food out of season, and many other things detrimental to our health. We all do things that have negative effects on the body and mind, and this leads to sluggishness and lethargy. Ayurveda focuses on comprehensive long-term approaches to promote health and increase our energy levels on a day-to-day basis. Through the use of natural ingredients and promoting a healthy lifestyle to help attain balance in all aspects of life, we naturally feel better within ourselves in our long-term health. This helps us feel more energetic, as we're no longer dependent on external stimulants to help provide us with short-term bursts of energy, but instead build up a natural source of energy that lasts throughout the course of a day. Number 5. Reduce stress. Stress is a significant problem for many in the world today, and in itself has become a major industry. Stress is often caused by working under pressure, and with the growing popularity of platforms such as social media, impacts almost every aspect of our lives. Ayurveda, through diet and lifestyle, helps to alleviate stress, as we achieve a healthy and balanced mind, helping us to perform at our peak, as opposed to trying to push through mental health challenges in just trying to survive. Number 6. Improved concentration. Today's world, with technology, with the pace of life and the overload of information, it is easy to become distracted and to find our minds stressed and anxious. A part of Ayurveda is to slow down, to better know and understand our body and the way in which our body's natural constitutions require balance, helping our minds to follow suit and relax as a result. With this in mind, along with a balanced diet and lifestyle to soothe our minds, allows for improved concentration. Mental health is as important as physical health, and with Ayurveda promoting health and balance in both, it helps us perform at our best. Number 7. Helps you relax. With Ayurveda helping to maintain healthy skin and hair, to prevent stress and revitalize energy, it can help you relax in your day-to-day activities. This is because it is about being mindful of our body's natural constitution, helping us to restore the balance that leads to relaxation. When you are relaxed, you can feel comfortable and content in your mind and body, which can help you have a more positive outlook in life. Abhyangam, a type of body massage, is also important for relaxation. Whether using self-massage practices or pursuing a therapeutic massage, these practices, which can be enhanced with Ayurvedic oils and various heat sources, can help to further reduce stress levels. Ayurveda is an ancient practice, but it's as important today as it has ever been, providing methods to find and maintain a healthy and balanced lifestyle for anyone and everyone. Are you aware of Ayurvedic medicine? And if so, do you do any Ayurvedic practices? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads.